Hi guys, this is Mina, your super host. In our first episode, pag-usapan natin yung mga simpleng bagay I noticed na madalas nalilimutan i-provide ng mga host. Una, hand towel and hand soap. Yung simpleng paghuhugas ng kamay, napaka-essential. As a mom, I encourage my kids to practice hand washing. And as a host, I make sure makapag-provide kami ng hand soap. I also provide a hand towel for drying naman. Just please make sure mapapalitan ng hand towels in between guest check-ins for hygienic purposes. Next, all-purpose rags. Leverage talaga ng mga staycation sa mga hotels yung flexibility na makapagluto. Kaya mahalaga na you also provide all-purpose rags for your guests. Makakatulong yan with minor cleaning and wiping ng surface lalo na mga spills when cooking. And I suggest ang bilhin yung pamunas ay yung microfiber or yung may highly absorbent material. Sunod, foot rag. A foot rag will help quickly dry your feet, lalo na pag galing ka sa restroom. Mape-prevent din yan na may madulas or maaksidente because of wet feet or drops and spills of liquid. Tapos, tissue paper. Akala mo simpleng tissue lang pero ang dami niyang nagagawa. It also keeps things clean, absorbs spills, and adds comfort for guests. Maliit na bagay, pero malaking impact especially sa hosting. Of course, hangers. It's for organization and a better guest experience. Guests notice kung saan nila isasabit gamit nila, so that's added comfort and convenience. Siyempre, sponge and dishwashing liquid. Ito yung madalas nalilimutan dalhin ng mga guest. And as a cooking mom, pag nagsistaycation, pag meron ito sa staycation ko, means comfort and hygiene. It makes the place guest ready and guests feel cared for kung hindi na nila kailangan pang magdala nito. Clean kitchen equals happy guest. Happy guest equals happy host. Lastly, hoster. Host who think ahead provide these. It protects your guests from accidents na syempre, maa-appreciate nila. Ikaw as a host, ano yung mga maliit na bagay na hindi mo usually na provide sa mga guest mo? Share mo nga sa comment section. Okay, hanggang sa muli. Be the host your guest remembers. Happy hosting!